My communication skills were not good, so I could not get selected.
Yes, I also did not have enough knowledge of MS Excel and PowerPoint, so I also could not get selected.
Nowadays the competition has increased so much that we have to improve our skills, otherwise our selection will never be done.
The solution of your problem is just one: Unbox Skill. They provide many courses like Six Sigma, Advanced Excel, PowerPoint, and new technologies like Power BI, Tablaeu, RPA, and Machine Learning. And yes, they will help you to complete your projects and get selected in interviews along with practical knowledge. And these guys also help you to get the resume drafted for us. I and many of my friends have completed our course from Unbox Skills, and today we are all placed in good companies.